Alright, so this piece here, this is the guard on the top of that hook race, and I'm not certain what this piece does. I assume it helps keep thread from getting tangled as the needle goes up and down, but the cut on this generic one that I got is not big enough for how wide the zigzag on this Kenmore is. So I'm going to have to take my Dremel and open this space up on the top wide enough for the needle to plunge on both sides of the zigzag. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use my Dremel to cut that hole to the right size and also to polish this piece up, because any of your thread race areas, you're going to want them to be as smooth as possible. So, yep, and we'll be back with that fixed up, and then I think this machine will be ready. Alright, you can see I modified that hole, and I've got it wide enough now that when the machine is on full width zigzag, the needle comes down in where it's supposed to. So that guard is in place and the needle fits. We'll do some more test stitching, and then this machine is going to be ready to go, I think.